Pagka mabilis mag-grow yung business mo at dumadami yung pera mo, ang examinin mo is your core values do sa organization mo. Kasi kung hindi buo yung core values, hindi solid o hindi na buo yung core values ng organization over time, iba-iba yung values ng mga tao under you, then expect na you will have a very weak organization. Pwedeng magkaroon ng pilferage, pwedeng magkaroon ng infighting sa loob, pwedeng magkaroon ng politics. Why? Because there will be unity only when the values are strong and core values are intact. Yung values, usually, nanggagaling yan sa owner eh. What you display as the leader of the organization, that is what they will copy. If you are strong in your priorities, like let's say you have a solid priority as far as your family is concerned, gagayahin nila yon. If you are a person who is, say, running after money, gagayahin nila yon. Yung values mo, gagayahin nila because you are the leader. Kung dumadami yung pera mo, examine your values. How do you move forward? Kung ang values mo is very weak, I believe na eventually, baka mawala din yung pera mo because people will not follow you.